Sino Hydro Corporation, a transnational all-round construction group, is the largest and most efficient general contractor in China for water resources and hydropower projects. Sino Hydro is mainly engaged in general contracting of various kinds of water and power projects, with the relevant consultation and engineering services, the manufacture and installation of electromechanical construction equipment and steelworks, scientific research and development of engineering technology. Its business has also expanded into the fields of engineering services and construction of roads, city tracks, harbors and waterways, airports, municipal and public projects, civil and industrial works, as well as import and export business. Sino Hydro is endowed with an annual capacity of moving 150 million cubic meters of earth and rocks, producing and placing 50 million cubic meters of concrete, installing 8,000 megawatts generating units, and manufacturing and installing 100,000 tons of steelworks. Sino Hydro has 23 fully owned subsidiaries in major administrative regions of China. They hire more than 120,000 people. 35,000 of them are scientific research and technical staff and administrative personnel. So far, Sino Hydro has set up 16 overseas liaison offices in different countries and regions. As the dominating leader in the sector of water resources and hydropower engineering, Sino Hydro has created outstanding achievements since the 1950s and constructed 100 large and medium hydropower stations in China. They account for 70% of the national total, and they have an installed generating capacity of more than 50,000 megawatts and multi-purpose dams. More than 20 large or extra-large hydropower projects are under construction with a total installed generating capacity of more than 40,000 megawatts. Constructors of Sino Hydro have left their footprints in every large river basin in China. Sino Hydro has been remarkably contributing to China's top position in the world in terms of installed capacity and scope of hydropower projects under construction. The Yangtze River, with the richest hydropower resources in China, is the longest and largest river in China and ranks third in the world. Sino Hydro has completed more than 20 large and medium-scaled hydropower stations along the mainstream and tributaries of the Yangtze River, with a total installed capacity of more than 13,000 megawatts, including Artan Hydropower Station, the largest ever completed in China, with an installed capacity of 3,300 megawatts. Wuqiangxi and Geheyan hydropower stations, each with an installed capacity of 1,200 megawatts, and Wujiangdu hydropower station, constructed in Kars regions. The ongoing Three Gorges hydropower project, with a total capacity of 18,200 megawatts, will be the largest in the world upon completion. The Yellow River, one of the rivers with the highest mud and sand content in the world, is the second longest in China. Sino Hydro has built 9 large-scale hydropower stations on the main river with a total installed capacity of more than 8,000 megawatts, including Liujiaxia, the first one with a total installed capacity of over 1,000 megawatts in China, Longyanxia with an installed capacity of 1,280 megawatts and storage capacity of 24.7 billion cubic meters, Lijiaxia with an installed capacity of 1,600 megawatts and the world's leading steam cooling technology, and the recently built Xiaolangdi with an installed capacity of 1,800 megawatts and best capability of sand control in the world. In the Pearl River catchments in South China, Sino Hydro has completed 8 large-scale hydropower stations with a total installed capacity of 7,000 megawatts, including Guangzhou Pumped Storage Station Stage 1 and 2, the largest pumped storage station in the world, with a total installed capacity of 2,400 megawatts. Longtan, now under construction, is the second largest gigantic hydropower project in China. Its installed capacity will reach 4,200 megawatts in the near future and 5,400 megawatts as the long-term target. In the drainage areas of the Lancang River, Songhua River and other rivers in China, Sino Hydro has built and is building a lot of large-scale hydropower projects, each with an installed capacity of over 1,000 megawatts, such as Manwan, Dachaoshan, Xiaowan, Baishan and Shuikou hydropower stations. It has also completed and is working on a number of pumped storage stations, such as Shisanling, Tianhuangping, Tai'an, Tongbai and Huilong. While undertaking the construction of water resources and hydropower projects, Sino Hydro has launched its diversification strategy by expanding its business into other engineering fields and completing numerous highways, municipal and public projects, industrial and residential buildings such as high-rise residential buildings of IWHR, Three Gorges Stadium, workshop complex of Changchun No. 1 Automobile Manufactory, Hangyong Superhighway, Shentie Superhighway, Xiamen International Airport, Changle International Airport in Fuzhou, aeroplane maintenance workshop at Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport, 60,000-ton maintenance shipyard of Dalian Ship Plant, Guangzhou subway station, and so on. Because of the superior quality of these projects, Sino Hydro has won various kinds of awards, including the Luban Prize, the highest honor in the construction sector, and lots of other prizes granted by the central and local governments and Sino Hydro's employers. With rich engineering experience and scientific creativity, Sino Hydro has accumulated a series of leading construction technologies of the world in hydropower and other engineering fields by adopting new techniques and new materials in engineering construction activities. In the field of dam engineering technology, Sino Hydro has mastered the full technology of constructing various types of under the difficult and complicated conditions, including large-scale concrete gravity dam, concrete arch dam, RCC dam, and concrete-faced rockfill dam. It has resolved a number of worldwide technical problems, such as constructing dams on rivers with rich content of mud and sands, dams in karst regions, and concrete-faced rockfill dams in severely cold regions. The concrete gravity dam of the Three Gorges project under construction is the largest in the world. It is 181 meters high and 2,309 meters long. The 240-meter-high concrete double curvature arch dam of Artan hydropower project is the highest dam of the same type completed in China and the fourth in the world, the most difficult one in the world in terms of flood discharge and other construction conditions. In addition, Sino Hydro has also completed other great dams, such as the 154-meter-high sloping clay core rockfill dam for Xiaolangdi multipurpose project, and the highest RCC arch dam in the world, namely the Puding Dam, and the highest RCC thin arch dam, Shapai Dam, etc. Many dams constructed by Sino Hydro represent the new level of dam construction technologies in China, even in the world. For electromechanical equipment installation technology, Sino Hydro possesses the installation and testing technologies for the whole set of large capacity and super voltage electromechanical equipment, including the site manufacturing technology of embedded parts for large-scale hydraulic turbine, the manufacture and installation technology of extra-large steel structures and large diameter penstocks, the installation and testing technology of computer monitoring and controlling systems, and the testing technology of starting the generating units of pumped storage station. Sino Hydro has completed the satisfactory installation and commissioning of hydraulic turbine units for Artan hydropower station with an installed capacity of 550 megawatts for each unit and total 3,300 megawatts. The installation and testing of hydraulic turbines for the Three Gorges hydropower project is in progress with an installed capacity of 700 megawatts for each unit and total 18,200 megawatts. On the foundation treatment, Sino Hydro has obtained the advanced technology of foundation treatment of high dams and the fundamental treatment under the complicated geological conditions. Sino Hydro has completed the most difficult foundation seepage prevention projects in the world. Upstream cofferdam cut-up wall of the Three Gorges project Phase 2 and the main dam cut-up wall of 82 meters deep for Xiaolangdi multipurpose project. Due to the application of many other new technologies, such as man-made aggregates processing technology, latest river diversion technology, smooth blasting, pre-split blasting, and controlled blasting technology, combined transportation technology of emulsified dynamite, adverse condition caving technology, and high-pressure grouting technology, full-face tunneling technology, rock-face crane beam technology, and needle beam formwork, and various slip form technologies. Sino Hydro has topped the world list in mastery and employment of these technologies in terms of the general technological forces. The superior construction technologies and affluent achievements of scientific research have made Sino Hydro the most capable extra-large corporation in China for executing the complicated water resources and hydropower works in the international market. The chairman of International Dam Committee, Mr. Hoge, highly appraised the achievements of China's dam construction when he attended the 20th International Dam Conference held in Beijing. He said China has the best hydropower experts and engineers capable of constructing the best dams in the world. As a large international corporation, while executing the principal hydropower projects in China, Sino Hydro is ready to seek for even wider spread cooperation and greater development abroad. Sino Hydro has carried out extensive engineering contracting construction activities, as well as economic and technological cooperation with more than 50 countries and regions in Asia, Africa, Europe and the Americas in diversified fields of hydropower stations and dams, irrigation and water supply, dredging and reclamation, harbor and marine works, roads and bridges, sewage and airports. The overseas projects completed by Sino Hydro have numbered over 50. Klong Tadan Dam project on ICB basis in Thailand is one of the world's best gigantic RCC dams. It is 93 meters high and 2,720 meters long, with a roller compacted concrete volume of 5.47 million cubic meters. Tartagan HP project in Iran, awarded to Sino Hydro through international competitive bidding procedures, is large-scaled and of clay core rock-filled dam with financing on EPC basis. The dam is 101 meters high and 1,090 meters long, with the filling quantities of about 18 million cubic meters. Takuza hydroelectric project is the largest in Ethiopia and one of the largest multi-purpose dam projects in Africa. Sino Hydro has been undertaking the major part of civil works under the contract, including the concrete double curvature arch dam, which is 185 meters high with its crest length of 420 meters. The main civil works of Bakuan hydropower station in Malaysia is contracted by Sino Hydro, including the design and construction of a concrete-faced rock-filled dam 205 meters high and 740 meters long, 8 head-raised tunnels of 8.5 meters each in diameter and 700 meters in length, as well as the powerhouse containing 8 sets of 300 megawatt generating units. The dam type for Galmol Zam hydropower project in Pakistan is of roller-compacted concrete gravity arch dam, 133 meters high and 150 meters long. Merawi Dam project in Sudan is a large hydropower station under construction on the Nile, and Sino Hydro is involved in the dam construction of 9,200 meter long in total, in which several types of dams will be applied. Other projects, such as reclamation project for Bangladesh Meghnad combined cycle power plant, rehabilitation of Tashkent Airport in Uzbekistan, Tishreen Power Station in Syria, Ghazi Barotha hydropower project in Pakistan, Baghmandi irrigation project in Nepal, all have shown the advanced technologies, management, its force and capability applied by Sino Hydro for operating large international projects. Sino Hydro is known as the #1 brand in water resources and hydropower construction in China. The economic globalization is speeding up, and China has acceded to the WTO. Sino Hydro has experienced its development and consolidation on the way of project construction for more than 50 years and become a large-scale construction group with more internationally competitive capability. Sino Hydro is ready to press forward and promote its business towards the more challengeable objects so as to promote a continuous development of the world construction sector and to create a brighter future for mankind.